Hey guys, I am with my sister McKenna and we're going to be unboxing the exciting macarons. I think that they may be fake because I got them from like a little booth thing, but we'll have to see. Kenna, which ones are you wanting?
I want the pink one or the white one.
I want mystery, maybe the blue one or the white one.
Okay.
They never tear perfect. Let's open them at the same time. 3, 2, 1. I got the green one.
I got the blue one.
Let's
trade.
And yes, these ones are fake. Because one you can twist heads around, but they're so cute though.
These are adorable.
Yeah.
So cute.
Thanks for watching. Bye.